It's the middle of July, we're in Montana, and we're dogging with Levi Johnson.
Abner, right up on the hill.
We get on this stand, and this coyote comes up, posts up on top of the hill. We see him, and starts coming down the hill, sees copper. They start dogging. The sun's kind of beating right in our face, so it's tough to see what's going on. But this coyote really dogs well, and is very vocal by itself. And I just whiffed on this coyote. Dang, I'm sorry, Copper. Not bad, man. Sorry, dude. It's all right. You just move on and try to get a better opportunity, another opportunity to redeem yourself. Do this, brother. We got on an early morning stand, and it was pretty cool country. A lot of thick sage country and a prairie dog town out there a little ways. So we knew we were in good country, and we set up and howled. As soon as we howled, we had a couple crews light up, you know, back kind of behind us and out in front of us.
Abner,
You see one over there?
that coyote's coming right over here. Hurry up, get over here.
I needed to move over there because I couldn't see down over that bank.
Just cross the road. If you can get down to that sagebrush down there, you'd be perfect.
And this coyote, I get a 10-20 on him. Well, he's not far from the truck. He kind of sees the truck and sits down.
He's just laying down there. He's not going.
How far is he, Levi?
275, Abner.
Tipped him over! Lights out! Rock him, baby! I know one thing. A coyote isn't safe within 350 yards of me in that bone crusher and that Ruger Precision.
Male?
Yeah, that's
Big
good.
old head on him, huh?
Look how far away the truck is right here. This coyote's probably 80, 70 yards from the truck.
Yeah, you'd never get away with that not having a dog there. They wouldn't even come up next to pick up, but they're so infatuated on them, on them dogs that it was lights out.